Good old stock block, stock bottom end build. Got a little bit of an exhaust leak over here. It's driving me crazy. And we got to put some power steering fluid in, but Dad's car. Got some things we still need to do inside, wiring wise, but whatever. Sounds really good. Stock bottom end, GT40, upper lower intake, Cobra Cam, home built turbo kit based off the thru design. Getting ready to head to Foxtoberfest, and we put an exhaust on it. Borla ProXS straight through. Sounds pretty good. We cleaned it up pretty good. We had some damage on the roof that we tried to clean up real quick before we brought it to the show, but it ain't perfect. It'll never be perfect. And made me a little pipe here. I've been meaning to do this for my dad for a long time now. So, it's pretty tight up in here, but it does clear when it comes down. We just we'll re-weld these when we get home and make some V-bands, but it's a nice little setup, man. For being used and old, it'll do what it needs to do here in Dad's car. Let's hear what it sounds like. Just a small turbo, 3-inch down pipe into a 3-inch merge collector into Borla straight through with 2.5 tails. It's got a little bit of a choke point, but it's a turbo system.